To transfer money from the NatWest app, start by launching the app on your device and ensuring it's updated to the latest version. Sign in to your account using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, select the source account from which the funds will be drawn. Next, navigate to the Payments option and choose Make a Payment. This will take you to a new transaction page with your selected account as the source. From here, click on Select Payee to choose the transaction's beneficiary from a preset list. Or select Pay Someone New to add a new recipient. Fill in the necessary details, such as the amount and reference, in their respective fields. Set the transaction's urgency by selecting Send Now or Send Later using the provided checkboxes. Then tap on Make Payment to proceed. Review the details on the next page and tap Make Payment again to complete the transfer. This simple process allows you to easily transfer money from the NatWest app.